Namaste Gurukulians, this is Rajni Arora, TGT SST. Today we are going to continue the chapter Air. This is our part 4th or 7th class geography and this is our part 5th. We have done with part 4 in our previous video. Today we are going to discuss the topic which was left in our lesson. The topic was cyclone, nature's fury. Cyclone, nature, fury. Okay. In the last lecture, we have already discussed about the mechanism of all the chapter. Okay. So today we will see how this mechanism will impact in real life. Okay. So in this chapter, we will discuss the case study of Orissa cyclone. Okay, which was occurred in 24th October 1999. Okay. So we will see what was the impact of that cyclone, how it originated, and what the destructions he created. Okay, so we will study about all the concept, or we can say all the case study of Orissa cyclone. Okay, now first we will understand what is mean by cyclone. So cyclone's nature fury means प्रकृति का रोष, प्रकृति का आक्रोश और प्रकृति का गुस्सा, वी कैन से. ओके, सो जो प्रकृति का रोष जो साइक्लोन ओडिशा में आया वो भी हमारा क्या था, एक प्रकृति का आक्रोश, वी कैन से. ओके, सो व्हाट डज इट मीन? इट मीन्स cyclones are the circulatory winds which originates in ocean, and after originating it collapsed to the land and started destruction, whether in rain form, whether in destruction form. Okay, so what we can understand, we will understand how the cyclone is formed. Okay, in the last lecture we have already discussed that air blow from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, so cyclone, we were discussing cyclone. Cyclone is a circulatory winds, okay, which originate in ocean, and after originating it collapsed on land, and after collapsing it started destruction. Okay, now we have already discussed that air blow from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, air blow from high pressure to low pressure. So the first condition which is required for the cyclone is the water body should be surrounded the air mass from three sides. Okay, or we can say the first condition which is required for cyclone is water body surrounded with the land mass from three sides. What we are doing? We are discussing water body. If water body surrounded with land mass from three sides, it is a first condition which is required for the cyclone. Okay, so if what happened in Bay of Bengal? Bay of Bengal में क्या हुआ? Bay of Bengal में हुआ क्या बेटा? यहाँ पर क्या हुआ? लैंड मास था. ओके, यहाँ पर भी लैंड मास था और यहाँ पर भी. यहाँ पर क्या था? ओशन था. ओके, हुआ क्या? ओशन में हमारी जो प्रेशर होता है एयर का, वो हमारा क्या होता है? लो प्रेशर. और बाहर की तरफ जमीन पर लैंड मास पर तीनों तरफ क्या थी? लैंड थी. तीनों तरफ जो प्रेशर था वो हमारा क्या था? हाई प्रेशर। और एयर हमेशा कैसे मूव करती है, हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर। तो यहाँ से जो मूवमेंट था एयर का वो क्या रहा, हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर। लेकिन लो प्रेशर के कारण भी एयर मूव करती है। लो प्रेशर के कारण क्या होता है, लो प्रेशर के कारण एयर एक्सपेंड होना स्टार्ट कर देती है, एयर लाइट हो जाती है और जिसके कारण ऊपर उठती है। तो इस लो प्रेशर के कारण भी एयर ने ऊपर उठना शुरू किया। लो प्रेशर के कारण जब एयर ने ऊपर उठना शुरू किया, ये कन्वेंशनल फोर्स के कारण और वी कैन से कन्वेंशनल करंट के कारण। ओके, सो ये कॉन्टिन्यूस स्ट्रक्चर बन गया। हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर की तरफ एयर मूव कर रही है, लो प्रेशर की एयर ऊपर की तरफ उठ रही है, तो ये क्या हो गया, इट कन्वर्ट इनटू अ सर्कुलेटरी पाथ। ओके, सर्कुलेटरी पाथ के कारण जो मूवमेंट थी वो स्टार्ट होगी विंड की। ओके, क्योंकि नीचे से उसको क्या मिल रहा था, समुद्र से, सी से, ओशन से क्या मिल रहा था उसको, लो प्रेशर मिल रहा था। लो प्रेशर के कारण विंड क्या थी, ऊपर उठ रही थी। ओके, तो हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर, विंड मूव कर रही है हाई प्रेशर टू लो प्रेशर। कहाँ से, जमीन से, लैंड से, क्योंकि ये वाटर बॉडी जो है वो हमारी तीन तरफ से लैंड से घिरी हुई है और यही हमारी फर्स्ट कंडीशन है साइक्लोन की। अगर साइक्लोन आता है तो उसकी फर्स्ट कंडीशन है कि वाटर बॉडी जो है, वाटर बॉडी हमारा ओशन, वाटर बॉडी सराउंडेड होनी चाहिए थ्री साइड से। तो थ्री साइड से ये सराउंडेड थी, जिसके कारण जो मूवमेंट थी हाई प्रेशर, लैंड पर हमारा क्या होता है, एयर का हाई प्रेशर होता है, और हाई प्रेशर से जब लो प्रेशर की तरफ मूवमेंट हो रही है एयर की, और समुद्र में, ओशन में हमारा जो एयर का प्रेशर रहता है वो लो प्रेशर रहता है। तो लो प्रेशर के कारण ये एक्सपेंड होकर एयर ऊपर उठ रही है और ये एयर इधर जा रही है, तो हमारा क्या हो गया, सर्कुलेटरी पाथ क्रिएट होता है, जिसके कारण हमारा क्या होता है, साइक्लोन की कंडीशन क्रिएट होती है। ओके, सो दिस वाज द स्ट्रक्चर, बेसिक आइडिया विच यू हैव अंडरस्टूड अबाउट हाउ साइक्लोन फॉर्मुलेट, वी कैन से। ओके, नाउ वी विल सी द केस स्टडी ऑफ cyclone. Okay, case study of Odisha cyclone. Okay, so first which we discussed in this, that is Orissa, located on the eastern seacoast, okay, of India, is very prone to cyclone that originate in Bay of Bengal. Okay, I am writing here Orissa, located in the eastern seacoast of India, is prone to the cyclone originate in Bay of Bengal. What does it mean? It means the coastal area, okay, which is near the Bay of Bengal, that will directly affect by the cyclones which will originated in the Bay of Bengal. The cyclone which will originated in the Bay of Bengal, that will affect the coastal area. Coastal area means the area which is near the ocean. Okay, when in Bay of Bengal the cyclone will originate in Bay of Bengal, that will directly affect to the eastern seacoast, or we can say there are West Bengal, there are Andhra Pradesh, there are Odisha. So these area will directly affected by the Bay of Bengal. Okay, next we can say super cyclone which occurred on 24th October 1999, that devastated large portion of the state. Super cyclone occurred on 24th October 1999, devastated strong destruction. Okay, devastated means destroy. Okay, and it destroy the large portion of the state. Okay, devastated means destroy. The super cyclone which occurred on 24th October 1999, it destroyed large portion of the state. Okay, it destroyed the large portion of the state. We will study the restrictions also, what devastated that occurred in this cyclone. Okay, and but the damages which was occurred, that caused due to 3 reasons. Okay, I am writing here. Damages caused due to 3 reasons. Okay, what was that reason? First reason was wind velocity. Second, rain. Third, tidal surge. You have already understood about the wind velocity. Okay, you have already understood about the rain. You don't know the tidal surge. Tidal surge, this is the topic which will we understand comprehensively in our next chapter, water. Okay, but here I am giving you a small idea about it. Tidal surge, पानी का ऊपर आना. ओके, सर्कुलेटरी विंड्स के कारण जो पानी ऊपर आ रहा है उसको ही हम क्या कहेंगे? टाइडल सर्ज. ओके, next we will understood about the cyclone's nature, fury and the devastation or destroy which occurred in that cyclone. Okay, first, cyclone definition. We have already understood about the cyclone definition. What is cyclone? It is a circulatory winds which originates in the ocean. Okay, now there was huge devastation in Odisha, huge destroy which occurred in Odisha in this cyclone. Okay, so what was that? A large number of livestock were killed. Livestock means janwar. Okay, a large number of animals, large number of insects were killed in this cyclone. Next, standing crops of paddy, vegetables and fruits were heavily damaged. Means plantation was heavily damaged, crops were heavily damaged. What was that? Crops, paddy, vegetables and fruit were which was heavily damaged in this cyclone. Due to salinization caused by tidal surge, large tracts of agriculture land have turned infertile. Means जो समुद्र का पानी था सॉल्टी था, सॉल्टी वाटर क्या हुआ? हाँ, फील्ड्स में एंटर किया, फील्ड्स में एंटर करने के बाद क्या हुआ? उस अपने साथ सॉल्ट लेकर एंटर किया, सॉल्ट में सारी सॉइल जो हो गई थी वो क्या हो गई थी? भीग गई थी, जिसके कारण वो सॉइल क्या हो गई? इनफर्टाइल हो गई. ओके, सो this was also the caused because of cyclone. Large tracts of salt teak and bamboo plantation has disappeared. Plantation was also destructed in this cycle. Next is the mangrove forest between Paradip and Konark vanished. Paradip and Konark is the name of a place. Mangrove forest we can see here. See. For example, this is our sea and mangrove forest like a boundary for this. Okay, it does not allow the water to enter in coastal areas. It is like a boundary, and but when the water was heavily covered the coastal area, then it started destruction. Means जब water जो है वो बहुत तेजी से बहता है तो ये इस boundary को ख़त्म कर देता है. ये boundary काम क्या करती थी? Boundary काम करती थी इन दोनों के बीच में एक boundary का सी के वाटर को, समुद्र के पानी को कोस्टल एरिया से जाने से रोकती थी. दैट इज मैंग्रोव ट्रीज. सो ये भी हमारे क्या हो गए? डिसअपेयर हो गए. ये भी हमारे क्या हो गए? डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए. किसमें? साइक्लोन में. ओके, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट आवर टॉपिक cyclone and the devastation. Cyclone's nature, fury, we have already discussed the case study of Odisha cyclone. Okay, so keep watching the video again and again, so you will understand about the meaning of cyclone and what is cyclone, how it formulate. Okay, so thank you so much. Good day. Thank you.